Hey, thanks a lot for the support. As I promised, I'm going to publish this amazing industry level Django deployment course on YouTube for absolutely free. I'll be posting 4 videos every day in this playlist, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the future videos. With that said, I wish you all the best. You will definitely learn a lot in this course. If you like my work, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and comment if you have any doubts. This will motivate me to make more such courses in the future. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back to Tech with Ratan. This is Ratan. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to deploy your Django application to a production server using Docker. This is not just another tutorial. I'll also show you how to set up a CI/CD pipeline so that your deployment process is fully automated. And whenever you want to make changes to your live site or you want to push a new feature to your application, you'll be able to do it with just a few simple steps. So the tools we are going to use in this video are Docker, GitHub Actions for CI/CD pipeline, and Django as the backend, React.js as the front end, and Postgres as the database. For the server side, we'll use Linode Virtual Private Server, Nginx for serving static files and handling the request, and GUnicorn as the application server. So this is a full-fledged production deployment setup, and you can use this exact approach to deploy Django applications of any sizes.